Hello friends, so this video is for the first grade math group and you guys are going to be playing a game called Dot Addition today. And then when you are done with that, you are going to be working in your workbook on Unit 6, page 21. So let's learn how to play Dot Addition. You have played dot addition before in school way back when, where we had all the dot cards and you could use them any way you wanted to get the answers on the game board. Well, this one's just a little bit different. So in the comment section of this video, I will post the directions on how to play, the dot addition cards, and the game board. So you will need to print out the dot cards, and if you don't have a printer, you can make your own cards, okay? And you can see how many of each you need when I post the picture. You will need 3 game boards. You will need one for yourself, one for your partner, and then one general one that will be in the middle, okay? And then you will play and write down your numbers, but I'll get into that in a second. So how do you play? You are going to deal out 4 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, containing 5 cards in each row, all facing up so you can see the dots, okay? And you are going to make combinations for each number on the game board. So the answers on the game board are 9, 12, 12, and 15. So you will be finding combinations for those answers. Remember, you can use 2 cards, you can use 3 cards, you can use 4 cards, you can use however many cards you want. However, there's a hitch. So, in this game, you cannot use a card twice. For example, if you use 3 dot cards to make the number 9, so 3 plus 3 plus 3. You cannot use 4 3-dot cards to make 12. So you can't use the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 that equals 12. So you need to come up with a different combination to get 12. Okay? So when a number appears twice on a game board, you need to find 2 different ways to make that number. So on the game board, you have 2 12s. So you need to come up with 2 different combinations that equal 12. You cannot use the same combination, okay? And you can rearrange your cards at any time until you have your game board completed. So you have your dot cards and the 3 game boards. So you have a game board, your partner has a game board, and then a game board will go in the middle. So you are going to arrange the dot cards on the game board in the middle. So let's say for 9, I put 5 dot plus 4 dot, okay, on the game board in the middle. I'm going to write down that equation on my game board. So 5 plus 4, okay? So the game board in the middle is where you're going to put the cards, and the game board that you and your partner have is where you're going to write down the equations, okay? So, like I said, I will post the directions on how to play and the cards and the game board. And then when you're done with that, you are going to work in your workbook on page 21. It is totals and missing parts. You guys have played this plenty of times. It is the heads and tails game, but you have to be careful. Some are missing the heads amount, some are missing the tails amount, and some are missing the totals. So once you're done with that, you can move on to the next thing, or you can play another round of dot addition, whatever you'd like, but have fun.